Hello friends, let's have a look at issue 28 of our Batmobile Tumbler, where we are continuing building this fantastic model with the right cockpit wall. And there it is. It's basically mirroring what we've done in the previous step in issue 27, installing the lights and then the wall to the floor on the passenger side, so just straightforward. Push those in with the LED housing there. Probably the other way around, let's see. Good stuff. So like so, and then the 4 GP screws. Just use the spare from the last one as well. Fantastic, cool. Similar to how I've approached this on the other side. I'll start with the middle. Just a few turns, don't do it all the way. So have a bit of movement and space to do the other one. Now we can tighten both, and I should align the front and the back holes as well, like so. And then the last one. We should also complete stage 28. So we have both side panels in place now. Looks great. Another step in having a complete model. I shall see you shortly in stage 29.